Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to talk to you about coffee and saving you almost $1,000 a year. Plus, I want to share with you some fun ideas on creating your own DIY coffee bar at home from the dollar store, some ideas. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Lisa with the Frugal Living Network. I love sharing with you guys some tips and ideas on how to stay on budget, tips to save you money, DIY ideas for decorating, and also some meal prep ideas and so much more. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button for future videos to come. Okay guys, so let's talk about how much are we actually spending a day and a year on our coffee. So question, how much are you actually spending per day on your cup of coffee? Put the thumbs up if you are making coffee at home, or comment below, are you drinking coffee out? What's your favorite cup of coffee? I would love to hear from you. Okay guys, so an average cup of coffee for a tall is $2.95 out at the drive-thru or different stores. And that is over $1,000 a year, you guys. Okay, a grande average price, which I think is so much higher, like if you go at like Starbucks, but it's $3.65 per grande cup of coffee. And that averages out to almost $1,300 a year if you are buying coffee every day. If you're doing venti coffees, an average price is $4.15. That is almost $1,500 a year. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of money that we could probably be putting to something else, right? What is your financial goals? Do you want to pay off debt? Do you want to pump up your emergency fund? Do you have that really great trip that you want to travel to coming up, maybe spring or summer? If you have not checked out the new video that is out on creating financial goals and saving you money, check that out. I'll put the link in the description. But you guys, if we actually begin to just make our coffee at home, we could save over $1,000 a year. Okay, so how do we do that? Guys, I'm so excited to share with you a fun little thing that I did at home is I created my own coffee bar. I love just making coffee at home because not only does it save me money, but it also saves calories. Think about all of those like sugar things that are in those coffees that you get out. Don't get me wrong, you know, there's certain times of year like Christmas and fall, I love getting a fun little coffee or out with friends. But so you can get just a bag of coffee at the grocery store, and the average price a bag of coffee is $5 to $8, depending on like brands and things like that. So I just grab a bag of coffee at the grocery store, I put it in this little container, and I put it in my freezer, or I'll put it out on my counter, and it actually keeps it fresh if you put it in the refrigerator. So that's basically how I store my coffee. So I'm going to share with you guys now just a few of the items that I got at the dollar store that I love, that I helped create my coffee bar. Okay guys, so here is my dollar store style DIY coffee bar that I have created and just gotten a few fun things to make my coffee area fun, and allows me to make my coffee from home and save a ton of money on coffee out at coffee shops. Okay, so let's jump in real quick. So I got this cute little basket just at the dollar store. I thought it was just adorable, just helps me keep everything organized, just with like spices, coffee, filters. I love this product from Navita's. It's just a cacao powder if I want to make a homemade mocha. We all love our mocha, so I do that. And then you can actually get filters just for $1, also at the dollar store, so check those out. It saves you a ton of money. I got this cute little sign from the dollar store. I just thought it was so fun. Life begins with coffee. And then also just this cute little sign. It says a hot, fresh coffee is the best way to start the day. And then you can also add like little quotes. So I'll probably do that coming up. So I also got this cute little sign back there. It just says love grows here. I just thought that was so fun and cheery. And then that other one, I think I got that actually at Goodwill or something like that. And then I got this cute little vase just at Goodwill for less than a few dollars. So I thought that was super fun. And then I got this little placemat that I got actually at Walmart. I love it, for $1.99. I thought it was just so cute and just kind of spruces it up a little bit. Okay, guys, so let's talk coffee pots. So what kind of style of coffee pot do you use? Put a comment below. Do you go like Black & Decker? Do you have the K-cups? What do you use for your coffee? Okay, so for myself, you can do, I use just the Black & Decker. It has saved me a ton of money on coffee, like I mentioned. I got this for like $19.99, but you can do anything from inexpensive. You can do clear up to probably a couple $100 on coffee. So just kind of choose what is best for your budget. Okay, so storage, coffee storage. So there's two things that I absolutely suggest and love. So I actually got this from a friend. Thank you, Rachel. This is a coffee carafe. It is so fun. You can use this actually for coffee. You can use it for water, like entertaining, tea, etc. And it's cute. You got like, you can put like little sayings down below, like coffee or tea. So for myself, like if I have leftover coffee like I do this morning, I will go ahead and just put this in the carafe. And I will refrigerate it just to save for the next day. Or if I know I've got a long day, I will definitely take my coffee on the go for an afternoon jolt. So I use the Contigo little coffee containers. I love these. You can get these off Amazon. You can get them at the like Fred Meyer's, Target, things like that. And they are amazing because they are super, super spill proof. I don't know about you, but I'm a little on the clumsier side, so I spill things a lot. So since I have gotten this, it has helped me so much, you guys. So I love it. So check this out, Contigo. They are great. I also just have this cute little tea kettle that I got just for like less than $20 at Fred Meyer's. I thought that was so adorable. And then I do also drink a ton of tea. So I've got this cute little tea box. And I thought that was super fun. I got this actually as a gift, and I've just got all my favorite teas in here. Okay, guys, so let's definitely create our coffee bar at home. Okay, guys, so who's with me for creating their at-home DIY coffee bar? Hit the thumbs up. Tell me that comment below that you're going to create one. Tag me over on Instagram channel, that is the Instagram /Frugal Living Network, that you created your own coffee bar at home. I want to like cheer you on, help you save money, and so much more. Guys, if this was helpful for you, hit the thumbs up and let me know that you like this, and definitely subscribe for future saving videos like this to keep you on budget and so much more. Good to have you guys, and we will talk to you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.